Namaskaram. In today's class, we are going to learn some questions based on what we studied, like multiple choice questions, conversion from mathematical expression to Python expressions, and evaluate the expressions. First, we will see some multiple choice questions. Which of the following is an invalid variable? We have studied variable naming conventions. Based on that, find out which is invalid. First, space name, option C. Why? Because space is not allowed in variables. You can use only a single special character, that is the underscore. Which of the following is an invalid variable? Second underscore day, day 2, day underscore 2. The first one is invalid. Why? You cannot begin a variable name with a number. Then what all you can use? Underscore as well as alphabets. Which of the following is an invalid statement? X comma y equal to 10, x equal to y equal to z equal to 100, x comma y equal to 10 comma 100. The answer is A, the first one. If you want to assign a value to two variables, you have to use x equal to y equal to 10. X comma y equal to 10 is invalid. Next one is valid. 100 is assigned to x, y and z. Then C also valid. 10 is assigned to x and 100 is assigned to y. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Yes. Because capital letters and small letters are treated differently. These two are treated as different identifiers. What is the value of this expression? 25 modulus 3. 1. How? The modulus operation gives the remainder. 8 into 3 is 24 and the remainder is 1. So the result is 1. What is the value of this expression 14 by 2 is? 7.0. It is division operator. The result of a division operation is always a float value. What is the value of this expression 15/3? Answer is 5. Here it is integer division, so the result is an integer. You will not get a float value. What is the output of this expression? 5 star star 2 star 2. It is 50. Based on the precedence of operators, exponentiation is having higher priority than multiplication. That is 5 raised to 2 equal to 25. 25 into 2 equal to 50. What will be the value of this expression 10 plus 12 into 2? 34. Based on precedence of operators, multiplication is having higher priority than addition. So 12 into 2 is 24. 24 plus 10 is 34. What will be the value of this expression? X modulus y double slash x if x equal to 16 and y equal to 50. Result is 0. X modulus y, that is 16 modulus 50 is 1. The remainder is 1. And then 1 integer division 16. 1 divided by 16 is 0 point something. But here it is integer division double slash. So it will consider only the whole number part, that is 0. What will be the value of x? If x equal to int of 2.5 plus 4 divided by 2. Answer is 4. 2.5 plus 4.2. You will get 4.5. Int of 4.5 is 4. Only the integer part. Which of the following expressions results in an error? Eval 4.5. We have learned eval function takes only a string as its argument. Here it is a string for A and here also it is a string for C. So B is the answer. Which is not a valid string in Python? Second one, B. A Python string always enclosed in single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. Here no quotes at all, so it is not a valid string. Which value type does input return? String. If you want to convert into some other data type, you have to do typecasting. What will be the output of 2 within quotes plus 3 within quotes? It is 23 within quotes. Here 2 is a string and 3 is also a string. So if you use addition operation, it will do string concatenation. You will get 23 as a string. Which operator is used to check whether two variables are the same? Option B, double equal to. First one is assignment operator. It is used to assign some value to a variable. And the last one is just a negation operator. So the answer is double equal to. It will check whether two values are equal or not. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as token or lexical unit. A dash is a word having special meaning as specified by programming language. Token, identifier, keyword. Answer is keyword. These are some reserved words of a programming language. Dash is not a Python data type. Char, boolean, none. Char. There is no data type called char in Python. String data type is used to represent characters. What is the size of hi/t by? Answer is 6. Here /t is an escape sequence and it will consider as a single character. So hi/t/b-u-y. Total 6 characters. Next is convert to equivalent Python expressions. First one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Equivalent Python expression, a star star 2, that is a square, plus 2 star a star b plus b star star 2. In maths, no need to specify the multiplication operator. But here in our programming, we have to specify the multiplication operator star. ut plus half at square. u star t plus half star a star t star t. For this t square, you can use t star star 2 also. Next question. A plus b plus c the whole divided by 3. That is, division is for a plus b plus c. So put the bracket for a plus b plus c, then whole divided by 3. Next one, root of a plus b. Root n is equivalent to n raised to half. So this root of a plus b you can write as a plus b within bracket, because this root is for a plus b. A plus b within bracket, then star star half, that is raised to half. A plus b raised to half. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. A star star 3 plus b star star 3 plus c star star 3. Next is evaluate the expressions. You have to evaluate based on the precedence of operators. First question, 10 plus 2 into 4 minus 4 by 2. Here in this question, the highest priority is for multiplication and division. So do the multiplication. 2 into 4, 8. 4 divided by 2, 2.0. Next, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 2.0. You will get 16.0. If an integer and a floating point value are there in the expression, it will evaluate into float. Implicit type conversion. That is why 16.0. Next question. 10 plus 2 within bracket into 4 minus 4 by 2. First priority is for bracket. So 10 plus 2, 12 into 4 minus 4 by 2. Then the priority for multiplication and division. So 12 into 4 is 48. 4 by 2 is 2.0. You will get 46.0. A floating point value. Next question. 10 plus 2 into 6 minus 4 whole divided by 2. Bracket is having higher precedence. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2. Then 10 plus multiplication and division. 2 into 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2.0. 10 plus 2.0 is 12.0. Next one. 10 plus within bracket 2 star star 3, 2 raised to 3 minus 6 whole divided by 2. Here inside the bracket a combined expression is there. So first evaluate that expression within that bracket. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 by 2. Then 10 plus 2 by 2 is 1.0. 11.0 is the result. Next question. 10 into 5 modulus 3 double slash 2 plus 3. First priority for the bracket, that is 5 modulus 3. 5 modulus 3 is 2. 2 then integer division 2 plus 3. 10 into 2 is 20. 20 integer division 2 plus 3. 20 integer division 2 is 10. Only the whole number part, because it is integer division. Plus 3 you will get 30. So we have learned how to write Python expressions and also how Python solve these expressions. Today's class is over here. Thank you.